If you're anything like me, if you're very active or maybe even extra hyperactive, if you love adventure, travel, fitness, and the great outdoors, in this video I want to share with you a few very profitable Amazon affiliate niches and products that are guaranteed to make you some great money. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to visit our website extrahyperactivenetwork.com to learn how you can turn your passion into a profitable business, or at least make some extra money on the side to support your healthy and adventurous lifestyle. For those of you who are new here, let me introduce myself. My name is Paul, Extra Hyperactive, and I'm the creator of Extra Hyperactive Network, the only network that helps people live a happy, healthy, and wealthy lifestyle by educating them about the fundamentals of business, marketing, and branding. I've been doing affiliate marketing for almost 20 years now, and it wasn't until 2009 when I made adventure, travel, fitness, and the great outdoors my main marketing niches. And if it wasn't for my passion for fitness and outdoor activities, I would have never become a successful online marketer. And that's why before we jump into discussing the best and most profitable affiliate niches and products, I want to say that the main two keys to being a successful online marketer and social media influencer are: number one, you must be passionate about what you promote, and number two, you need to have at least the basic knowledge of business, marketing, and branding. If you are new to affiliate marketing and want to learn more about how to become a successful affiliate marketer and social media influencer, I definitely recommend checking out our website extrahyperactivenetwork.com. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at the most profitable Amazon niches and products. But first, let me say a few words about what makes a marketing niche profitable. Number one, affiliate commission. Number two, product's average price. Number three, variety of choices. Number four, niche popularity and potential growth. And since Amazon affiliate commission for outdoor and fitness products is only 3% now, we'll be focusing on the remaining three principles: product's average price, variety of choices, and niche popularity. And since I mainly specialize in fitness and outdoor recreation market niches, in this video I will be sharing affiliate niches and products that I personally promote and can vouch for. But the principles to find profitable niches and products that I've just mentioned are pretty much the same across all Amazon categories. My first choice for a profitable niche would be biking. Biking is one of the most popular outdoor activities, and with an average price between a few hundred and a few $1,000s, in terms of affiliate marketing, biking niche offers a lot of great opportunities. But your success in this niche will greatly depend on your chosen sub-niche, whether it's recreational biking or biking for fitness, mountain or road biking, bike commuting, or bike touring and bike packing, just to name a few. Another example of a profitable niche related to biking would be electric bikes and scooters. If you like me, if you love traveling, I'm sure you've seen electric bikes and scooters for rent in every major city. On Amazon, you can find a lot of brands to choose from, and with an average price of above $1,000, even with only 3% commission, you can expect some hefty payouts. This niche has a lot of potential, since nowadays we try to become more eco-conscious and environmentally friendly. Another similar niche that recently gained a lot of popularity is electric longboards, skateboards, and hoverboards. With an average price between $200 and $500 and dozens of brands selling electric boards on Amazon, this could also be a great niche to get into. But you'll definitely need to know your target audience and, most importantly, how to connect with them. This niche would better work for somebody who is already into board sports. If you've never shredded anything in your life, if you don't know how to hang loose, this might not be the right niche for you. Just like biking, kayaking and canoeing is another very popular outdoor activity with tons of brands and products to choose from on Amazon. And just like with biking, your success in this niche is determined by creating a tighter sub-niche, like kayaks and canoes specifically for fishing or camping, for example, or more expensive touring kayaks. Another similar to kayaking is a paddleboarding niche, something I've personally been doing since 2009. This niche was so profitable for me that in 2015 I opened my own business called Seattle Kitesurf Paddle, where I taught paddle surfing, and in 2020 I started offering paddleboarding fishing trips. In the same 2020, I also launched another blog dedicated to car camping and overlanding, with the focus on promoting rooftop tents through Amazon affiliate program. Rooftop tents is another great and profitable niche with a lot of potential and growth. Nowadays, there are more brands that sell rooftop tents on Amazon, and with an average price between $1,000 and $2,000, you can easily make a few $100 a month promoting these cool tents. Not only did I make money promoting rooftop tents through Amazon affiliate program, but I made even more money renting my Jeep with the rooftop tent through websites like Outdoorsy.com. And when Outdoorsy launched their own affiliate program, I made even more money by sending people who wanted to rent an RV, a camper van, or my SUV through that site. You can learn more about Outdoorsy affiliate program from my video. See the link here or in the video description below. Another cool niche for people who love car camping, road tripping, and overlanding would be power stations and solar chargers. My two favorite brands to promote through Amazon affiliate and influencer programs are Goal Zero and Jackery. Both of these brands have a variety of products to promote, and with prices between $500 and $2,000, this niche could be quite profitable. Power stations, solar chargers, and generators could also be used in a very popular nowadays niche of survival and off-grid living. And the last niche I want to mention here that has a lot of potential for growth is drones. A lot of travel bloggers and outdoorsmen use drones to capture their epic moments and adventures. For solo travelers like myself, the so-called follow me drones are especially popular. If you like creating travel videos like I do, recommending these drones along with digital cameras and photo video accessories to fellow travelers while sharing your technical knowledge about them could be a great way to make money. My personal favorite action cam brand is of course GoPro, that I've been promoting since 2010. And even though GoPro drones has failed to capture a leading place in the drone market, it's still a great and reputable brand to partner with. While you can promote GoPro products through Amazon affiliate or influencer programs, personally I recommend joining their dedicated affiliate program because of higher affiliate commission, cookie duration, and many cool perks that GoPro brand ambassadors can enjoy. In conclusion, I want to mention that these are just a few examples of Amazon profitable niches and products, but as I always say, that when it comes to affiliate marketing, it's never about what you promote, and it's all about how you do it. Because I didn't want to make this video too long, I couldn't share all the important tips on how exactly to promote these niches and products. If you really want to create a reliable passive income through Amazon affiliate and or influencer marketing, if you want to become a professional paid social media influencer, feel free to check out Extra Hyperactive Network to see what we have to offer. Unlike Amazon and other affiliate networks, our brand ambassadors and social media influencers get paid not only for sales but also for creating content and spreading the word about our brand on social media. To learn more about how you can become our paid brand ambassador and social media influencer, click on the link here or in the video description below. And finally, I want to say that while you can make great money promoting high-priced products through Amazon affiliate or their influencer programs, you can make even more money by flipping the same products on classified sites like Craigslist, OfferUp, and Facebook Marketplace. Something that I personally still do and make additional cash every month. If you want to make at least $100 cash every month, guaranteed, check out my book on Amazon, where I share all the tips you need to create a consistent cash monthly flow. Thank you for watching, and you have a great day.